Who want recording? I already given permission to Sahil.
Yes, sir. Recording, sir.
Apart from Sahil, anyone wants? Yes, anyone wants recording? अजून ते दोन्हीचे मी तुला अजून 3 सेपरेटली म्हटले ना, ते दोन्हीचे विचार ड्यू किती आहे त्याची. लिहून देतो त्याचे किती ड्यू आहे तर अमाऊंट लिहून देतो ते फीची. Yes, anyone wants recording?
Good afternoon, sir.
फुरसत नाही बसा त्याला सांग 10 मिनिट मला सगळं समजावून सांग बेटा. आम्ही भरलो किती तू उगा असं गडबड तेव्हा आलो तू तसं पण तुम्ही 5 मिनिट बसतो म्हणा 2:30-3:45 जा. तसं 4 वाजता त्याने ये म्हटलं तर मला फोन करून ये चालेल. 4 वाजता मी फ्री. Yes, I am talking to you. Any response? I am audible.
Yes, sir.
असं आहे ना ते मंथ घरूनच करतो त्या महिन्यात ते क्लोजर मार्च पर्यंत Yes, I am talking to you people. I am audible, Amma.
Yes, sir.
Passbook दे 1878. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can you hear me? I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in last class, we started with second B. Take one more problem. A square pyramid. A square pyramid. Base 30 mm side. Base 30 mm side. Base 30 mm side. And axis 50 mm. And axis 50 mm long. And axis 50 mm long. Axis 50 mm long. Has its base in VP. 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 Full stop. One edge of the base is. One edge of the base is. One edge of the base is inclined at 30 degree to HP. One edge of the base is inclined at 30 degree to HP. One edge of the base is inclined at 30 degree to HP. And a corner contained by that edge. A corner contained by that edge. A corner contained by that edge is on HP. Is on HP. A corner contained by that edge. A corner contained by that edge is on HP. Is on HP. Full stop. Draw its projection. Draw its projection. Tell me where it is placed. Where it is placed. Where it is placed. Yes, where it is placed. Where it is placed.
Sir, once again repeat question, sir.
A square pyramid. A square pyramid. Base 30 mm side. Base 30 mm side. And 50 mm axis length. And 50 mm axis length. And 50 mm axis length. Has its base in VP. Has its base in VP. Has its base in VP. Full stop. One edge of the base is. One edge of the base is inclined at 30 degree to HP. Inclined at 30 degree to HP. And a corner contained by that edge. And a corner contained by that edge is on HP. Corner contained by that edge is on HP. Full stop. Draw its projection. Draw its projection. Tell me where it is placed.
In VP
How it is placed.
by its base.
How it is placed.
On the axis.
One of its edges is inclined to 30.
Inclined to HP.
It is at an angle of 30 degree. This point. Draw the line. Theta is equal to 30 degree. One of its edge. And again continuation, the corner contained by that edge is on HP. Means this corner should be on HP. Not only it is lying on VP, the corner, because this is edge, makes an angle of 30 degree. But that edge is having two corners. One corner should be on HP. Draw perpendicular line. 30 degree. Draw this perpendicular line, 30 mm. Draw parallel lines. It is prism or pyramid? Prism or pyramid?
Pyramid.
What is that? Given object is prism or pyramid?
Pyramid.
Pyramid, only one base. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Join diagonals. Square always axis will define with respect to diagonals. Join diagonals. It represents O dash, O1 dash. Draw the axis line. See. Now you have option. You can take somewhat below or you can take XY line. How you want. Directly on XY line or below. Below means we have to take locus line.
Below, sir.
Below. Take someone random locus line. Project all the corresponding points. Now this point X at O1, measure 50 O. This is O point. Now this is the base. Pyramid is having only one base. C, D, A, C, B. When we are observing from top, D is visible, C is visible, B is visible. Join D with apex. C is apex visible. B is with apex. This height you have to write 50. Now A is not visible. Draw line A with the dotted line. Finished. Write its dimension anywhere, any one side, because it is a regular polygon. If one side is known, all sides are known. Any doubts? This is the pyramid. Note down. नाही लिहू बेटा त्याच्यावर नाही त्याच्यावर लिह न्यू IFC कोड पण त्याच्यावर त्याच्यावर तिचे पासवर्ड नको नको नवीनच once finished let me know.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed, Amma?
Yes,
All
sir.
of you completed?
No, sir.
Then actually could leave now. इथं जाता जाता ते ह्याच्या आपल्या दुकानच्या बाजू किराणा झेरॉक्स करणार तिचे लागत नाही त्याचे एक शर्ट घालतो झालं माझेच 3 पाहिजे finished. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, second bit, second stage. These all are first stage. Where it is placed, how it is placed. Listen carefully. Take second stage. Right. Second stage, first statement.
मी येतो आता तुला LIC चं. तिथं तू काम सांग मी तिथे. तिथे नव्हतं.
Title, write it. Projection of solid axis inclined to one plane, parallel to other plane. Then write a bit. Axis inclined to VP, parallel to HP. Axis inclined to VP, parallel to HP. Take first problem. First problem. Draw the projection of a pentagonal prism. 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 Base 25 mm. Base 25 mm. And axis 50 mm long. And axis 50 mm long. And axis 50 mm long. Resting on one of its rectangular faces. Resting on one of its rectangular faces. Resting on one of its rectangular faces. On the HP. Resting on one of its rectangular faces. On the HP. On the HP. With the axis. With the axis inclined at. With the axis inclined at 45 degree to B. With the axis inclined at 45 degree to BP. with the axis inclined at 45° to VP. Yes, noted down.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me where it is placed, how it is placed? Where it is placed and how it is placed?
Placed on VP, sir.
Why, Amma? Why it is on VP?
Rectangular face is on HP.
Rectangle. Very good answer. Always remember, Amma. Always remember. This is axis, Amma. Axis is the point. Always the axis O is having true shape. What is the true shape? Pentagon is a true shape. Pentagon is a true shape. Here also pentagon is a true shape. So this axis, what he told, it is resting on one of its rectangular face. This is rectangular face. Amma. Vertical face, one more name is rectangular face. Vertical face, one more name is rectangular face. Yes, it may call it as rectangular. So if it is resting, you see, this axis is perpendicular to VP, means parallel to HP. The given parallel to HP means perpendicular to VP. Statement Jagratham చూసుకోవాలి. What I am telling. What I am telling. So axis should be perpendicular to VP but parallel to HP. It is resting on HP. How it is resting? Can anyone tell me how it is resting? Anyone? Any idea? Where it is resting, we know. How it is resting? It is resting on one of its rectangular face. Rectangular face always carry side. Rectangular face. This is rectangular face. It is always having side. Jagratham. So it is resting on HP. Directly on HP. So you can take directly on HP. Okay. After that, you know the procedure. What is the procedure? Take 108 degree. So here 90, 100, 108. From this corner, measure 90, 100, 108. See, take this. 24. This is 24. Next, take 2.5 mm radius. This corner, cut. This, cut. Independent. So now, this is the pentagon. Now tell me whether it is a prism or pyramid. Whether it is a prism or pyramid.
Prism.
Prism. Always two names. So it is A dash, 1 dash, B dash, 2 dash, C dash, 3 dash, D dash, 4 dash, E dash, 5 dash. First thing, where it is placed on VP. How it is placed? One of its rectangular face. This is rectangular face. So when you keep, it look like a rectangular face. Side is first visible. Side. It is resting on HP. It is resting on XY line. HP is a XY line. Now, how to get axis? How to get axis? 12.5 midpoint. Already I told. Side opposite is corner. Take one more midpoint. Any two intersection points is enough. Join opposite to this. This as a O dash, O1 dash. Project it. Right. Now, you have option. You can take directly on this. Both can lie on XY line. We studied in point. On HP, on VP. Both. You want direct or locus line. Again, your option. I'm talking to you.
Direct.
Direct. Okay. We can take directly represent this one as O1. Measure it 50 mm length. Oh, nothing wrong. Only condition is that it should not overlap. This object should not cross XY line. This object should not cross. Both can lie on XY line. Take this length 50. Now, project O1. So already take this point. Take this point. This point and this point. See, now when we are observing top, A, E, D visible, B and C not visible. Okay, here it is 1 visible, 2, this is 5, 3, 4, all are independent. A, B, C, E, this is C and this is D. Make dark line. See, make dark, border line should be dark because it is a closed loop. Solid. Solid is always the closed loop entity. Now, after that E is visible, make E as a dark line. But 2 and 3 or BC is not visible. Draw dotted lines on it. That is important. Getting my point. Finished. Nothing. Here it is lying below XY line. It is lying above XY line. No hard and fast, but it should not cross XY line. It should not cross. Both are lying on XY line. Getting my point? Agree? What is the angle given? Angle. What is the angle?
45, sir.
45. I forgotten. So phi is equal to 45 degree. Do one thing. You can take directly here. 45 degree. 45. Draw the axis line. Now important thing, listen. Here only student will do mistake. What is the relation between axis line and baseline, Amma? What is the relation, Amma? Relation. This is axis.
45.
No, this is baseline. This is
90.
baseline. 90 degree. Idu jagrata, Amma. Here, student will do blunder mistake. I will first, from here, I will measure how much it is. How much you can see? 21. Now I will make it zoom. See how much it is visible among this point. From 6 onwards, I am measuring how much it is. 21. Kanpadtunda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
21 on right side, 21 on left side. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kanpadtundamma? 6 I taken. 6, 5, 4, 21. Means 10 mm, 20, 21 mm. 21 on this side. Listen now carefully. You have to take any one line, referendum line like this. I taken 5 as a referendum line. 5 line will always move along with this axis line. See, I started with 0. You know, observe cheyali. This is the rule. Move down. I am moving, dragging it down until, see, here kanpadtundamma 21. Can you see 21 here? 10, 20, 21. 21 with respect to axis line and 21. Kanpadtunda? Visible?
Yes,
Oh,
Yes,
this
sir.
is important aspect amma. 21 on right side and 21 on left side. This is key spot. This is important aspect. Intentionally, I zoomed it. Why? This relation is perpendicular. Nothing ra. It is lying like this. We tilted. Sorry. Here it is lying. I will make it small. So here it is lying like this. I am tilting along with object 45 degree axis along with. It is also 45. It is also. This is the thing you have to remember. Once you know this, now this point is 4. This point is 1. We taken 4 and 1. So now this is O1. Agree? O1 is lying on this. It is 5 also. 5 point is also O1 and 5 is same line. Now measure 5 to how much it is visible? See 30. This side also 13. Geography 6. So from this line, measure 30. This point. From this point, measure 30. So this point is 2. This point is 3. Got it? What we made? This object with axis line be tilted at an angle of 45 degree. Phi is equal to 45 degree. Initially, it is look like this. Initially perpendicular. Now I am tilting at an angle of 45 degree. What is this? Side and this axis should be 45. Getting my point? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Here, if you are an intelligent student, one triangle generate equation. If it is 90, it is also 90. 90.
Yes, sir.
If it is 90, how much? If it is 45, how much it is? How
45.
much it? 45 only. This is rule. This we will check while considering this stage. Once you are perfect here, the meaning everything is perfect. After this, what is the relation? What is the relation between all these lines? This line.
Parallel.
Parallel. Very good. How much distance? How much?
50.
50. Em chedrama. Simple ra. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 50 line measure చేసుకో. Same line. 21 on right side. 21 on left side. 21. This is 21. See, join them. This is dark line. This is dark line. Now, how much it is? 13, 13 on both sides. 13, because I don't have minute after, that's why I'm using measurements. 13. This 2 is dotted. Draw dotted line only. Here. This is the dark line along with axis line. Dotted. This is O, A, B, E, C, D. Same object I draw. Getting my point. Aim constraint on the this base and axis relation you have to maintain. Base and axis relation is perpendicular with one of its corner. Okay. Agree? Understand? Remaining all, it is 50. I measured 50. All lines are parallel. All lines are parallel. After this lesson, first project axis line. First axis a target change. Axis if you target, your 50% problem will be resolved. This first produce this axis. Draw parallel line. This is parallel line. See, name this as O1 dash, O dash. I will take attendance. Huh? At any moment it will wind up first slot. Wait. Why strength is very low? Now, after this, project all the lines. Project all lines. One project. One is here only. One is here. 1, 2 is up to here. 5 already axis line. 3 is up to here. 4 down. Similarly, this face O1 along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O along with A, B, C, D, E, C. Take A. This is A. B. This is B. E already axis line. C up to C. D. This is the D. Project. Draw parallel lines from E. E. This CD. Draw parallel lines. Already AB lying on XY line. Now carefully observe chain. 1. This is 1 dash. 2. This is 2 dash. 3. This is 3 dash. 4. This is 4 dash. 5. This is 5 dash. Along with O1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Final ravalam compulsory. Next, A. This is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and this is E dash. Along with O dash, A, B, C, D, E, 2 faces. Pentagon is having 2 faces. One at front, another is at, one is top, another is the bottom. One is front, one is at side. It is left to you. This is the method you have to follow. This is important aspect.